Hello everybody, welcome back. That's all we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check Comcast email. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is the simplest way and the quickest way for you to simply be visiting your connect.xfinity.com or xfinity.com on your Chrome browser. So we will go, and you can see I'm already have searched it up and I'm here in this homepage of Xfinity itself. You can go ahead, use your tablet, smartphone, or computer, whatever you have. Once you have done so, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this box over there, enter your email that you have connect your account with. If you don't remember email, add in your mobile. If you don't, then username. You have three options. Let's say you forgot the email, enter the other two information and you will be done. Other would be simply coming to down over here. Let's say you forgot anything, you don't remember, type on this, you find your Xfinity ID, which will give you other prompts to follow for you to find out and get your account information and know what is your email, right? Make sure to bookmark this website so next time you come, you can go ahead, go to it directly without actually searching and typing anything. So that is the way for you to check your email, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.